Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a really quick check over what should be in your notebook. So this is the beginning of your notebook. You all see it? You're with me? Okay. Let me see bigger. And so we're gonna open our notebook, and on the first page, you should have your name, your period, and your goal for the year, right? We talked about that. Name, period, and goal for the year. All right, so see, I have my name, my period, all that jam. Okay, now this is page 0. Notice how I numbered it, page 0. And then I'm going to turn on page 1 and 2. It's my table of content for the first 6 weeks. So page 1 and 2 is my table of content for the first 6 weeks. And so as I get things assigned to me, I write, okay, on page 3, I have this. On page 4, I have that. How you set up your table of content is up to you. So 1 and 2 is your table of content for the 6 weeks. If you just want to go row by row, go row by row. Okay. However you do it, it's up to you. Yes. Good. Questions about the table of content? Okay. So that's pages 1 and 2. Page 3. So your page 3 should be your first set of notes that we took. So these are your first set of notes that we took. Okay, and all I did was take the glue and I glued the bottom back and then I glued it down so that I can still see the front and back of my paper. Yes. Okay, so this was page 3. Page 4, and you don't have to title it because the paper already has a title, okay? Page 4, so my page 4 is our 01 classwork, okay? If you uploaded this to Canvas, then it should be in your notebook. So if you took a picture and uploaded it to Canvas, then it should be in your notebook on page 4. If you did not, you turn it in the box. Just make sure you write what goes on this page so that when I give it back to you, you know this is where it goes. Okay, so it's 01 classwork is on this page, on page 4. Again, if you upload it to Canvas, you have it. If you turn it into your period tray, then I'll get it back to you, okay? Questions about page 4. And again, all I did was put a glue line on the back, on the bottom, so that I can flip it and see the front and the back. Got it? All right, moving on to page 5. Now my page 5, I made a pocket because I prefer pockets over trying to glue two-sided things that are weird to do. So page 5 are your notes that we watched the video with for vocabulary review of Algebra 1. So this is page 5. You can fold it, you should fold it in half, and there's enough space where you can do 2 glue lines and just glue it there, and you'll be able to go front and back and still open it. Or you can make a pocket. So to make a pocket, let me turn to empty page. To make a pocket, you just take the paper and fold it in towards the side that you want the pocket on. And then you're going to take your glue and make an L and then glue it down. And now you have a pocket. And so again, to make a pocket, you take the paper, fold it into a triangle towards the side you want the pocket on, get your glue, make an L, and then bam, you have a pocket. So if you prefer a pocket over gluing it down completely, go for it. Okay. Back to, we were on page 5. So on page 5, I made a pocket and I put those my 11A notes or my 11A vocabulary. And so now I have a pocket. Okay. Questions about page 5? All right. Page 6 is your exit ticket. So page 6 should be your exit ticket. Over domain, range, function, relation. So it's your 11A exit ticket on your page 6. Okay, you did not turn this in. You kept it in your notebook. Okay, so it shouldn't be turned in. It should be in your notebook. Your notes and exit tickets, we go over them and I check them when I do your notebook, your interactive notebook project grade. All right, questions about page 6? We're good? Comments, questions, concerns? Keep it rolling? All right, so page 7 is your classwork from yesterday. Again, you should have the 1-1A classwork if you upload it on Canvas, but if you turn it in the box, just make sure you title it because that's where you're gonna have to put it. So if you upload it to Canvas, go ahead and glue it in. But if you turn it in the box, I'll get it back to you. It took a little bit longer to get to today's pages. How do we feel? Good. Page 7, we're caught up. Did you take a picture of it, Jojo?
No, but I will.
Okay. All right. Yes, we're good. All right. Now, page 8 is what we're doing. What we're going to try to do today. It's our 1-1B function attributes vocab. And again, I made a pocket, but it's this paper. So I made a pocket for it, or there's enough room on the back where you can glue and you can glue it down. I do my very best to always leave you room where you can glue. Okay. Sometimes I'm really nice and write glue here. For my people that need a little more explicit instruction. All right, I made a pocket again. And again, to just make the pocket, you take the paper and you're gonna fold it inward towards the side you want it on. Okay. All right, and then page 9, you're gonna have to put a title. It's the 1-1B missing vocab little half sheet that you picked up. So on page 9 is that 1-1B missing vocab. The little half sheet you picked up, because these are the 2 vocab words that Miss Jones missed. Okay, and that concludes where we should be at after week 1. We're starting. I'm gonna show you where to do this. All right, questions, comments, concerns? So at this point, what page are we ending at for week 1? Page 9. We're ending on page 9. All right, so we will not always have class time to do this. I will do my best to try to make a weekly notebook update video, and you'll have to be responsible for watching it. But your notebook is a project grade. So that means that it has to be majority done by you and maintained by you, right? So we're introducing it, we're getting our groove, but it's gonna fall in your lap to do this.